People's tribunals can do, in some regard, what formal courts should be doing. They can provide a body of evidence, they can provide closure and some sense of justice, and perhaps most importantly, they provide a judgment which requires states to consider how they interact with the People's Republic of China.
Allegations have been made that the People's Republic of China has been imprisoning, killing, raping and torturing Uyghur and other Muslim populations. In response to those allegations, the independent Uyghur Tribunal has been established to impartially investigate China. Since September 2020, the tribunal has amassed a large body of evidence, including statements from witnesses who are alleged to have been subject to these abuses. The tribunal will consider the evidence at 2 public hearings which will seek to determine the facts. Before the end of this year, the tribunal will issue a judgment on whether crimes against humanity or genocide have occurred or are still occurring. The first hearings, which are open to the public, are taking place at Church House in Westminster from the 4th to the 7th of June. The Uyghur Tribunal encourages you to attend this important endeavour or watch online.
The thing they most seek is that truth shall be given about what has happened, and that by the giving or the rendering of that truth, they may achieve some peace